Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. So today for our praise assembly I've got a very special surprise for everybody. Today I'm going to show you around our brand new reward shop, the WestminStore. Shall we go in? Let's go, let's see what's in here. So here we go, come in, come on, you can come in. So here is our shop. And now it's our WestminStore. So should we go and have a look around and look at some of the things that we can get? Yeah, brilliant. Right, come with me. So here what you'll see is some of our big prizes that you can get. So they're going to sit there, look. Some colours. We love colouring. And some balls. And lots of technology there. And if you look here on the wall, you'll be collecting points from your teachers and from your staff, and you'll be getting points for all the good things that you do. And then what you'll have is a little balance, a little card that will tell you how many points you've got. And then you'll be able to buy some of the prizes that are all labelled up with these colours. So we go from 20 points to 75 points, all the way down to 5,000 points. So you need to start earning your points. Okay, so let's go and have a little look, see what else we've got. Got some Ed Sheeran caps there, for all your Ed Sheeran fans. And here we've got some bags for swimming, you could use your bags for swimming. Some squeegee stress things, it's good. And then we've got, oh, my children love the panini stickers. You can get those if you're a football fan. And lots of toys here as well, lots of games to play with, maybe for lunchtime. And then we've got some of our smaller prizes that you may want to get. If you earn just a few points, you can get some of those. So we've got our panini stickers that you can stick in your sticker book. And then we've got some more over here, look, some little prizes that you might want to get. And as you can see, we've got arrows in the shop to show you which way to go. So we've got a one-way system. Let's keep going around the shop. Here we've got some little books that you can use, and then some more toys. Oh, some top trumps over here, look quick. Some top trumps, look, Frozen.
Let it go, let it go.
Iron Man. Some figures there. Umbrella. For a rainy day, 500 points for an umbrella there. Lots of little toys and games that you might want to play with. So, that's some of our items in the shop. So hopefully in the next few weeks you'll be able to come around and have a look. But what I thought I would do for our assembly today is have another little competition, because I know you like our competitions. So Mr. Bogle, will you come over please? Thank you very much. So, what I thought we would do is look at the names of all the students that have had a nomination from the staff. And for all the names that we read out, we have got you a 20-point gift card. Say ooh. Ooh. And with your gift card, over the next week or so, you'll be able to come in and pick one of the prizes from the shop for 20 points. Right, what I thought we'd do is have a little bit of fun, because we like fun. Fun's good. And we're going to have a little competition, and me and Mr. Bogle, we're going to see how many names, there are so many names from our nominations from during lockdown and from when you've been back in school, that we're going to see how many names we can read out in 30 seconds. And we'll have a little competition to see who's won.
We're taking it in turns, we're going at the same time.
We're not going to go at the same time, we're going to take it in turns. Mr. Bogle's going to go first.
Right, I need a timer.
Okay, timer, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Bogle's doing first. Are you ready, Mr. Bogle? How many do you think you're going to get?
At least 30.
At least 30, that's one a second. Good luck.
Okay. Marks, get set, go.
Trey, DeAndre, Jack, Ben, Jamie, Hayder, Jordan, Marshall, Jake, Issa, Kubi, Will, Hannah, Josh, Molly, Will, Magnus, Kieran, Jamie, Joe, Marshall, Jack, Ben, Rohan, Hannah, Radwan, Khadija, Saeed,
2,000 years later.
Alex, Maria, Jasmine, Ashley, Casper, Ace, Justin, Alex, Amy, Charlie, Stacey, Josh, Ashmic, Gabby, Ada, Liam, Maisie, Justin, Faith, Lewis, Josh, Adwinda, Trey, Jack, Gavin, Logan, Tamika, Bradford, Ruben, Raheem, Kai, Kyan.
Stop.
Could have got one more in there.
One more in there. That was a good effort there. We'll have to do a cap. Oh, I don't know. We'll have to have a judge on that one. Right, that was very good.
Thanks.
Very, very good. I don't know if I'll be able to beat that.
No, I don't think so.
On your marks. Get set. Go.
Holly, Ferdy, Ruben, Matthew, Connor, Zach, Leighton, Bradford, Millie, Peter, Kirsty, Georgia, Ruben, Connor, Ben, Faris, Harris, William, Ben, Kai, Jermaine, Archie, Marshall, Connor, Nina, Freya, Habby, Adwinda, Elle, Issa, Jamie, Tara, Olivia, Kian, Ryan, Adwinda, Marshall, Chelsea, Eleanor, Abby, Serena, Nigel, Jack, Alex, Ashley, Isha, Kieran, Faith, Maddie, Casper, Jamie, Richard, Scott, Jack, Issa, William, Jamie, Lydia, Daniel, Serena. Oh,
Good
rubbish.
try.
I went too long. I went too long on one of the names.
Jermaine.
Okay. So I hope you enjoyed that. What we'll do is put a little counter on it, and if you can put in the comments box about who you think might have won, or count them up and see if you can count them up, and put in the comments box who you thought you would win, who you thought has won. Okay. So hopefully you like our shop. Obviously, it'll be much better when you come around and have a look. And all those students, and some of the ones we haven't been able to read out, who are on the list, will still get one of these vouchers. So hopefully we'll see you very soon in our Westminstore.